Hello students, the previous episode we completed chemical kinetics objective questions from level 2 up to 24. We will see the remaining questions in this today's episode. Let's see question number 25. 25, consider the reaction Cl2 plus H2S gives rise to S plus 2H plus 2Cl minus. The rate equation is given K is equal to concentration of Cl2 into concentration of H2S. Which of the mechanisms are consistent with this rate equation? First I will write the rate equation. What is the rate equation is given? Rate is equal to K into concentration of Cl2 into concentration of H2S. This is the rate expression. They gave A and B options here. I will write A. A is Cl2 plus H2S gives rise to H plus Cl minus plus Cl plus Hs minus. This is a slow step. Next they given Cl plus Hs minus gives rise to H plus Cl minus plus S. This is given a fast step. Now they given B also. B is given H2S reversibly gives rise to H plus Hs minus. They gave this is the fast equilibrium, and the second one is given Cl2 plus Hs minus it is gives rise to 2Cl minus plus H plus sulfur. They given slow step. Now the question is which these mechanisms are consistent with this rate equation. A is given, B is given. Which one A is correct for the writing of the mechanism or B is correct for the writing of the mechanism they are asking. If you see the first part A, slow step is there, fast step is there. So generally what is RDS rate determining step? Rate determining step always you are getting from the slow step of the reaction. I am writing from equation A. So from A I will write rate is equal to K into concentration of Cl2 into concentration of H2S. This is I am writing for the slow step of the reaction. So according to A, this is the correct, the rate expression is correct. Now we can say from the B. So from B I want to write the rate equation here. Rate is equal to, which is the slow step here? This is the fast step or this is slow step? From this we will write rate is equal to K into concentration of Cl2 into concentration of H minus. We got this expression from this B. But what is required for us? The required equation is rate is equal to K into Cl2 into concentration of Hs. So we want to get here what here? In place of Hs minus I want to get what here? H. Yes, I want to get it. Clear na? So Hs minus plus I want to get it what? My H2S. For that what you can take? We will take one equation. From that equation I want to get the expression. You see this is the fast equilibrium reaction. So in this step I am writing equilibrium constant K. Okay. So I am taking this equation H2S gives rise to H plus and Hs minus. Equilibrium constant K is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of Hs minus by this is concentration of what ma H2S. What is required for us in this equation? Hs minus is required. From this equation I am writing here concentration of Hs minus is equal to K into this is concentration of H2S by concentration of what ma H plus you got. From this I will write this is K into concentration of H2S into concentration of H plus whole power minus n. Minus 1 I wrote. Or you can write this is the K equilibrium you can write. This is you write K equilibrium. I am writing from the first step of the reaction. Now we got Hs minus is equal to K equilibrium into H2S into H plus whole power minus 1. We will substitute the values in this equation. Now we can say rate is equal, I write this one, rate is equal to K into concentration of Cl2 into concentration of Hs minus. So I am writing this is K. What is Hs minus ma? In place of Hs minus what I want to write? I want to write this expression. This is K into some K equilibrium into what I want to write in Hs minus. I will write this is H2S into concentration of H whole power minus 1 into this is what ma concentration of Cl2. Yes, I'll write first Hs minus, then I'll write Cl2. So K into K equilibrium, I'm writing what here? K dash. This is Cl2 into concentration of H2S into concentration of H whole power minus 1. So this is the rate from which one ma? This is the rate you are getting from B. But what is required rate equation for us? Rate is equal to K into concentration of Cl2 into concentration of H2S. But from the equation what you got? Some K dash into K, you can leave it that one. You will see these terms. Cl2, H2S and H whole power minus is there. One more extra term is there. What is that one? That is H plus whole power minus 1. Now you tell which of the mechanism is best to express the rate equation from A or B. This is A. This is what ma? B. Which is correct? So only A is the correct. So what is your answer ma? Option A is the right answer for this question. So this is regarding about question number 25. Let us see question number 26 we have. That the rate of chemical reaction doubles for every rise in the 10 degree Celsius temperature. If the temperature is raised by 50 degrees Celsius, the rate of the reaction increases by how many times? Okay, temperature increases. If the temperature increases, rate becomes what ma? Double. For every rise in 10 degrees Celsius temperature, the rate becomes double or triple, you know. So the given temperatures here 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius is there. The rate of reaction increases by. So here rate increases, I am writing here. Rate increases by how many times? So here if you want to write here what are the temperature we have here, rate at 50 degrees Celsius by rate at 10 degrees Celsius is equal to, I will write here, okay, what I want to write here, this is a double only, this is 2 power, this is 50 minus 10, okay, or you can take this one 50 by 10. Final temperature how much is 50 is there, initial temperature 2 is there, the rate becomes how many times? 2 times. So from this I will write here 2 power 5 means here 0 0 cancel here, what you will get ma? 2 power 5. What is the value of 2 power 5? So 2 power 5 you can write here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4, 8, okay, 16 and what? 32. So what is your answer ma? Your answer is what here? 32. Rate increase by how many times ma? 32 times. So this is question number 26. See the next question we have, question number 27. Before that, one more formula also we can use for question number 26 we have. You know this 26 was directly I did that one, but you can write like this also, temperature quotient here. Temperature quotient is equal to, you will write here some kT plus 10 by kT, that is equal to how much here? 2. This is actually concept question only. So here rate becomes how many times here? So temperature quotient is equal to 2. Now we will write here rate becomes how many times here? Rate becomes, I already told here, 32 times. So how can I write here? This is 2 power final temperature by initial temperature, you will get 2 power 5, that is equal to 32. Again you see question number 27. A reactants A form two products. A gives rise to B, activation energy EA1. A gives rise to C, activation energy EA2. If EA2 is equal to 2EA1, then K1 and K2 are related to. I will take this one first equation. A gives rise to B, this is K1. This activation energy is given what ma? EA1. Next, A gives rise to C, this is K2. This is given what here? Activation energy is 2. Again they given here EA2 is equal to 2A1. They are asking what are the K1, K2, how the K1 and K2 related. So for this we can use the Arrhenius equation expression ln K. Okay, so ln K is equal to, you will write or you can write K is equal to directly A into e power minus EA by RT. E power minus EA by RT. First what is there here ma? This is K1, that is equal to A into e power minus EA1 by RT. If you want to write K2, what you will get ma? So this is K2 is equal to from A into e power minus EA2 by RT we have. E power minus EA2 by RT. If you take A or constant, you will cancel, also will get it. Now here you will write here K1 by K2. I will write here K1 by K2. If you write here A1 factor, or you can write here A2 also, no problem. So then what you will get here, this is A1 by A2. Okay, this is what you will get, this is e power minus A1 by RT, e power minus A1 by RT, by what you will get here, this is e power minus A2 by RT you will get. Okay, from this I will write some K1 by K2 is equal to, I will write A1 by A2 in the form of A, that is a constant factor only. So this one what you will get here, A power minus A by RT, this minus becomes what here, plus you will get here A2 minus A1 by RT. Minus become plus only, what you will get here, e power A2 by RT minus what you will get, A1 by e power minus A1 by RT. You can take the common, then you will get this one RT. Okay, now I want to write here K1 by K2 is equal to, this is A into, here the value is given, A2 is equal to what, 2A1. So I will write this one, this is 2A1 minus A1 by RT. Then I will get K1 by K2 is equal to, this is A into e power A1 by RT. K1 by K2 is equal to A into e power A1 by RT. So K is equal to some K2 into, this is A into e power A1 by RT. This is the answer for this question. Now we'll see the first option. K2 is equal to K1 into, K2 is equal to, they given K1 into A1 RT, and one more is given K2 is equal to K1 into e power A2 by RT. K1 is equal to some A into, they given K1 into e power A dash A1 by RT. K1 is equal to 2K2 into e power A2 by RT. So what are the expression we have? K1 is equal to K2. We see third option, K1 is equal to some A into, that you can, A1 you can change into what here, A2. That K2 into e power A1 by RT. So you will change the option like this. They given K1 here, you change that is K2. So this is a question number what, 27. What are the option you will take? You will take the third option. Now we will see question number 28. In the reaction A plus B gives rise to C, the concentration of A remains same and B becomes double, then the rate of reaction would be. They give an equation here. A plus 3B gives rise to C. This is the rate. So rate is equal to, generally what are writing here, K into concentration of X into concentration of B whole power Y. Here they did not given it is a first order reaction, or rate becomes 2 times or 3 times is not given. They are asking directly rate equation. So we can take the coefficients in the form of powers. So rate is equal to K into, this is A whole power 1 into, this is B whole power 3. In this they given A remains constant, not considered A. But what is given? B becomes what here? Double. B becomes what here? Double. Now I will write here, rate is equal to some K into, this is 2 whole cube. Now rate is equal to K into what, 8. Now the rate increases by how many times? Rate increases by 8 times. So you will get option, which option, the option 2 is the right answer for this question number 28. See question number 29. The rate of reaction K, R is equal to, simple question is, R is equal to K into concentration of A whole square and B whole power 1. Okay, this is given. Okay, now they are asking the concentration of A is double and B remains same, then what is the rate of reaction? So rate R is equal to, this is K into concentration of A becomes double, this means what here, this is 2 square, and B remains same, so B is a constant. Now what they are asking here, what is the rate of reaction? Simple. So rate is equal to 2 square means what here, 4 into, this is K into concentration of B whole power 1. So rate increases by how many times? Rate increases by 4 times. So what is your answer, ma'am? Your answer is option 3 for this question. Now you see question number 30. For a gaseous reaction, they given R is equal to K into concentration of A, B into concentration of C. If the volume of the vessel is reduced to 1 by 3, the rate of reaction becomes. Volume is reduced to what, here? 1 by 3. You know concentration. Concentration C is equal to what, N by V. So C is equal to 1 by N by 1 by 3 means what here? 3N. volume is decreased by what? 1/3, and the number of moles increased by what here? 3 times. So we will take here a rate is equal to K into this is 3, this is 3, and this is 3. Then what we will get? 27K. Now we will say rate increase by how many times? Rate increases by 27 times. So this is question number 30. See next 31 question. In the reaction given 2NO plus O2 given, this is 2NO2. They given two steps here. Step 1, NO plus NO, this is K1, this is K2. They given here N2O2. This is the first step. And step 2 also given here, N2O2 plus O2. This is K3. They given 2NO2. This is the slow step of the reaction, and find out the overall order of the reaction. So first of all, we want to write the rate expression. Rate is equal to K into concentration of NO whole power X into concentration of O2 whole power Y. So generally, first of all, you can see here two steps are given. One is fast step, one is slow step. From this slow step, I want to write the rate expression from step 2. From steps 2, I will write here rate is equal to K into concentration of N2O2 into concentration of O2. Concentration of what? O2 is given. Now what I want to write from this one, if you want to write O2 already is there, in place of N2O2 what is required? NO is required. So how you will write this NO from this equation? You will see this equation. Okay, what are the equations generally we have? First one you can see here, this is what is given here, this is some K3 given, some K3. So if you wanted this equation, what are the equation we have? NO plus NO, this is gives rise some K1 is given, this is what my here N2O2, this is the first step. For this I want to write here equilibrium constant, some K equilibrium, or you can write here K1. I will write you can write here, this is N2O2 by what you will get here, this is NO line. So this we will get NO into what my here, NO you will get. What you will get my NO into what here, NO. Now you will see, so what is required for us? N2O2 required. So N2O2 is equal to K into this what you will get this K1 into this is concentration of NO whole power 2. Concentration of NO whole power 2. Now what you got here? Concentration of NO is equal to K1 into concentration of NO square. You substitute the value in this equation. So rate is equal to what you get here? Some K3 into N2O2 plus what you will get here? This is K1 into some this is concentration of NO square into this is O2. Okay, so here you can write here O2 whole power and also you can write here some K3 K2 plus I will write here some K, this is NO whole square into this is O2. This is what my here rate. So what are the quotient is there here? 1. So what you will get here? 2 plus 3, that is equal to what? 3. What are the order of the reaction? This is what my third order reaction. Clear? So what answer you will take? We will take option 4 for this question. Now we will see question number 32. What is the question number 32 is given here? N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to what you will get here? 2NH3. They given us some experimental equation here. They are asking here, then write down the unit of the K. They are asking what is the unit constant, that means the rate constant units they are asking here. So if you want to write here, so rate is equal to this is K into this concentration of N2 and concentration of H2 whole cube and concentration of N2 whole power 1 you will take. No quotient, no order is given for this one. You can take directly quotient as a powers. Now here what you will get here? Overall order you will get here. N is equal to what? 4 you will get. N is equal to what you will get? 4 you will get. Now you know the formula. What you will get? What is the formula we have? Mole power 1 minus N, liter power N minus 1 second inverse. Then you will get here mole power 1 minus 4, liter power 3 minus 1 and what here? Second inverse. So you will get mole power minus 3. This is liter cube and what? Second inverse. So what answer is there here? Liter cube mole power minus 3 into what? Second inverse. So this is the answer for this question. We will go through with option 3. Now we will see question number 34. Rate constant of a zero order reaction, they given K is equal to given rate constant K is equal to some 3 into 10 power minus 2 is given. This is given mole per liter second, it is a zero order. If after 25 seconds the concentration of the reactant that you change it 5 molar is given, that you can take it in the form of 0.5. Clear ma? After time some t is equal to 25 minutes concentration is given, that means R is given, that is equal to what is given, this is 0.5. Now they are asking here, find out the initial concentration of the reactant. It is a zero order reaction. What is the expression for zero order reaction? Some K is equal to initial concentration of R naught minus R by what you will get, sorry, this is T. Okay, so K already given, this is 3 into 10 power minus 2. Initial concentration you don't know, that you can take it in the form of which one, X. Final concentration how much we have? Final concentration we have 0.5 by time how much here? 25. So now we can multiply this one, this is 3 into 25 into 10 power minus 2 is equal to X minus 0.5. 3 into 25, 75. 75 into 10 power minus 2, we will get 0.75. This is equal to X minus 0.5. X is equal to 0.75 plus what? 0.5. So we have 0.75 and one more we have 0.5. So then what you will get? You will get 1.25. So what is your answer? Your answer is 1.25 molar. Where it is? Option 1. I already told you what value you can change. Final concentration you can change, that is 0.5 molar. See, now we complete that previously 34, that is they got 1.25. You change that 34 question, already tell you. After 25 seconds the concentration of reactant is 0.5. Now you will see question number 33. I forgot this one. Question number 33, you can see A gives rise to B. A gives rise to B. Initial concentration rate is given. Initial concentration I am writing here. I see this is the rate I am writing here. You see here this is 1 molar. This is 2 into 10 power minus 3. And this is 2 molar. This is 2 into 10 power minus 3. This is 3 molar. This is 2 into 10 power minus 3. Now we will see here concentration increases but rate does not changes. Means what here? Rate of reaction does not depends on the initial concentration of the reactants. So rate of reaction does not depends on initial concentration of the reactant, means what is the order of the reaction? It is a zero order reaction. Why? You will see rate is equal to some K into concentration of R whole power 0. So if the concentration of initial concentration increases but rate becomes what here? Constant. It does not depends on the initial concentration of the reactant. So what is the order of the reaction? Means the order of the reaction is what? Zero order reaction. Zero order reaction. Like this we have one more question also there. In question number 35, you will see question number 35. Here they given T off. This is 33 and this is next 35. Reaction is given A to B and this is A, concentration of A is given. This is T off is given. And this is 1 molar. This is 10 seconds. And the next one we have 2 molar and we have 20 seconds. Next one we have 3 molar. This is 30 seconds. You see here, okay, you see here what is there here. T off at work, initial concentration 10 second, concentration is 1. Concentration means time increase by 20 seconds, 2 molar, 30 seconds what here? 3 molar. So I will write one expression here. T off is, half life for T off is directly proportional to initial concentration. So we have zero order, first order is there. So this is for what order reaction? This is for what? Zero order. So you know this expression, T off is equal to R naught by 2K. If you want to write for first order, T off is equal to 0.693 by K. Now which is directly proportional here? T off depends on what here? Initial concentration of what? Reactant. So what is the order of the reaction? The order of the reaction is what? Zero order. So what answer we will take? We will take option 3 for this question. So this is we have question number 34. 5. Now we'll see question number 36. 10 power minus 2 moles of acid present in 100 ml of the solution. The rate constant of its ionization reaction is 10 power minus 3. Then calculate the T of for this T1 by 4 for this reaction. N is given 10 power minus 2 mole and volume is given how much here, 100 ml. If you want to write what you will get, you will get 0.1 liter. Concentration C, you have to write C is equal to what you will get, N by V. What is N value? 10 power minus 2 by, this is 0.1. From this what you will get here, this is 10 power minus 2. Can I write here 0.1, 10 power minus 1? Okay, then what I get here? 10 power minus 2 into 1, 10 power 1. I will get finally what I have, 0.1. 0.1 is the concentration of the solution. So C I will write here 0.1. Now here initial concentration you have 0.1 is there. So but here you can see the ionization constant or rate constant is given. K is equal to what is given, 10 power minus 3. So they are asking here T1 by 4. Time at what they are asking, T1 by 4 they are asking. So we will find out what here, we can find out the T1 by 4 for this equation. Okay, so initially how much we have? I will write here one formula for this rate expression. So T1 by 4 is equal to, I will write here. T1 by 4 is equal to, this is R naught minus R by K we have. Initial concentration is K is there, rate constant. So that is the initial concentration, how much we have? 0.1. So minus here final concentration how we can write? They ask initially 100% is there, that is 1 by 4 is given. What is the remaining value? The remaining value is what here? 3 by 4. That you will write here 3 by 4 into 0.1 by constant how much given? 10 power minus 3. You understood this concept or not? Initially 0.1 is there. In that how much is required here? T1 by 4. 25% already consumed. Remaining how much is there? 75 is there. That we can write in the form of 3 by 4. 1 by 4 by 3 by 4 how much? 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, 4 by 4 you will get 1. So you will get from this one, what you will get here? You will do the LCM, what you will get? This is 0.1 minus this is what here? You will multiply this one. This is 0.4 minus 0.3 by what you will get here? This is 4 into 10 power minus 3. 4 into 10 power minus 3. So then what you will get here? This you will get here 0.1 by, this is 4 into what here? 10 power minus 3. I will write this one 0.1 into 10 cube by 4. 10 cube by 4. Then what I want to get here? This is 0.1 means what here? 10 I will write here. 0.1 I will write here 1 into 100 by 4. That how much I will get? I will get what? 25 seconds. So what is the answer for this question? 25 seconds is the answer for this question. This is question number 36. See question number 37. Volume of a drop of solution is equal to, that is volume is wrong is given, that we can take 0.005. Clear ma? 0.05 you can take. 0.05 ml. Wrong is given, you change that one. In it 3 into 10 power minus 6 moles of H plus ions is present. N is given, number of moles is given how much here? 3 into 10 power 6 moles H plus is present in it. And the rate constant for the disappearance of the reaction H plus rate constant K is given, that is given actually 10 power minus 7 mole per liter second is given. You change this value into 1 into 10 power 7, otherwise you don't get the answer for this question. 1 into 10 power 7 you can change this one. Then calculate the time required for complete the disappearance of H plus ion. They are asking time here. What they are asking? Time they are asking. So here what we will do, concentration N is given, number of moles N is given and the volume V is given. First you can find out the concentration. Concentration C is equal to, I will write N by V. What is N value here? N value 3 into this is 10 power minus 6 by, this is 0.05 into, you will get the 1000 in the form of liters. Just we are writing 1000 for what? Conversion of this ml into what? A liter you will write. So this I will write here 3 into 10 power my cube here 10 power minus 6. This is 10 power minus 3 by, I will write here 5 into this is 10 power minus 2. So this is 3 by 5 into 10 power minus 3 into what you will get ma? This is a 10 square you will get. So what you will get here? This is 3 by 5 into 10 power minus 1 you will get. 3 by 5 into what here? 10 power minus 1 you will get. So 3 by 5 means what you will get here? This is 0.6 into what my here? 10 power minus 1. So this is what here? This is the concentration of the solution. Concentration of the solution. This we can write, how we can write? This we will write in the form of 6 into 10 power minus 2. This is the concentration. Concentration you are finding the asking time. So generally concentration C is equal, what is the rate here? So rate is equal to what my here? Change in the concentration per what here? Time. So change in I will be here. Change in concentration by time. So time we have, you can write here, K also you can write here. So what you can write here? Rate means here rate constant K is given, that is how much here? 1 into 10 power minus 7 is equal to change in concentration. This is 6 into 10 power minus 2 by T. So T is equal to 6 into 10 power minus 2 by, this is 1 into 10 power minus 7 we have. So now what you will get here? This is 6 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power 7 you will get. So what you will get my here? So approximately you will get here 6 into 10 power 5 seconds you will get. So T is equal to 6 into 10 power 5 seconds. So this is the answer for this question number 37 we have. So sorry, just I took here 10 power 7, but I wrote here 10 power minus 7. We change this one 10 power 7. This is 10 power 7. No? This is 10 what? 10 power minus 7. So you will get how much here? 10 power minus 9 second. Option is not there. You change any option. You can change the third option into 6 into 10 power minus 9. So this is question number 37. So the next question, question number 38. 3.8 grams of NH3 is present in 100 ml of the solution. It dissociates in presence of molybdenum and the rate constant of the reaction is 10 power minus 2 mole per liter second. Then calculate T20% of the reaction. The given 3.4 grams of NH3 and the volume is given here 100 ml. I will find out number of moles of NH3 is equal to 3.4 by 17. Because you know ammonia molecular mass how much? 17 we have. Then what you will get here? You will get 0.2. Here volume is 100 ml. How much you will get? This is 0.1 liter you will get. 0.1 liter. So C is equal to N by V. You can apply the same concept here. This is 0.2 by 0.1. What is the concentration you got? You had concentration how much here? 2 you will got. Clear? And one more K is given. Rate constant K is given. So K is equal to 10 power minus 2. This is mole per liter second is given. What they asking? T20 they ask me. So I will take here T20%. Initial concentration how much we have? 2. Initial concentration, how you can write the formula? Initial concentration, or you will write T is equal to, this is you will write R naught minus R by K you will write. This is T20%. So T20% is equal to what you will get here? Initial concentration how much we have? 2 is there. So what are the final concentration? The final concentration you will get here 1.6 by what are the K value we have? 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2. So then what you will get here? This you will get here 0.4 into 10 square. That you will get what here? 40 seconds. How I got here 1.6? Here 2 is 100%. 2 is what? 100%. How much is required here? 20% is required. So x equal to what you will get here? 2 into 20 by what here? 100. So you will get what here? This is 0 0 cancel here. 2 into 2 here 4. So x equal to 4 by 10. That is equal to what here? 0.4. So this 0.4 can be subtracted from what here? 2. So here 2 is there, 2.0. This is what here? 0.0. So then what you will get here? 10 means what? 6. You will get 1.6. Like this I got 1.6. So what is the answer for this question? So you will get it, how much I told? 1.6 is the final concentration. What is the final answer we have? 40 seconds is the final answer. Now you will see question number 39. Okay, a first order reaction is completed 99% in 32 minutes. Then what is the time it will be completed in 99.99%? 99% complete in how much here? 99% complete in what here? 32 minutes. It is a what order reaction? It is a first order reaction. What reaction ma? First order. For first order, what is the expression ma? So K is equal to, this is 2.303 by T into log R naught by R. So I will take this one 2.303 by time how much given? 32 into log initial concentration 100 minus final concentration how much ma? Here 100 is there, 100 minus 99. How much you will get? 1%. So this is 100 minus 99. So you will get here 2.303 by 32 into log 100 by 1. Log 100 means, can I write here? This is 2.303 by 32 into, I will write this one 2 into log 10. Because log 100, how can you write here? 10 square. 10 square means what? 2 into log 10. So what you will get here? This 2.303 into 2 by 32 into log 10 value 1. So you will get here, this is 4, this is 606 by 32. This is what we can finding. We are finding the rate constant. So 4.606 by 32, you will get here approximately 0.143. 0.143. This is the rate constant. The question is not completed. We are finding first what? Rate constant. Then you can go for what? T 99.99% will be completed. So I will write here T 99.99% I will write. That is equal to, what you will get now? From this I will get, this is 2.303 by, I will write what here? K into, okay, I will write the formula first. Again I will write the formula. What is the formula we can use here? K is equal to 2.303 by T into log R naught by R. So we want to find out here T. T is equal to, this is 2.303 by, this is K into log R naught by R. So this is what here? T 99.99%. That is equal to 2.303 by, this is 0.143 into, this is log initial concentration how much I told? 100 by 100 minus this is what ma? 99.99%. So we will write here T 99.99% is equal to, this you will write 2.303 by 0.143 into, this is log 100 by 100 minus what ma here? 99.99. You will get here 0.01. this is 01. So I will write this one 2.303 by 0.143 into, this is 100 by 1 into 10 power minus 2. So from this I will write 2.303 by, this is 0.143 into, this is log 100 into what ma? 100 you will get. That I am writing here, 100 means what? 10 power 4. So from this I will get here 2.303 by 0.143 into 4 into, you will get what ma? Log 10. Log 10 value how much? 1. All together you can multiply, you will get it how much answer means, you will get 64 minutes is the answer for this question. So this is a question number, okay, 39. So the next question 40, it is also same model. A radioactive substance dissociates 60% in 20 minutes. Then what time it will dissociate into 90%? Time they are asking. The first one is given 60%. 60% in how much time? 60% in what year? 20 minutes. It is a radioactive substance. So radioactive substance follows what order reaction? It is follows a first order reaction. Radioactivity follows which order reaction? A first order reaction. I will write here a rate is equal to 2.303 by T into log R naught by R. This is the formula I am writing. Now here, sorry, this is K. K is equal to, now I want to write K. K is equal to, this is 2.303 by 20 is given and log initial concentration is 100. This is 100 minus 60. Then how much you will get? You will get what ma? 40. So 0 0 cancel. K is equal to 2.303 by this is 20 into log 10 by 4. What is the log 10 by 4 value? Log 2.5. So K is equal to this is 2.303 by 20 into log 2.5 value we have 0.3979. 0.3979 that is equal to 2.303 into 0.3979 by how much? 20. So altogether you will get the K value is 4.58 into 10 power minus 2. This is 4.58 into 10 power minus 2. This is the rate constant value. But what they are asking, calculate the time for what? 90% of the dissociation. I will find out here T 90%. T 90% is equal to 2.303 by K. What are the K value? This is 4.8 into 10 power minus 2 into this is log initially 100 minus 90 how much? 10 you will get. So here 0 0 cancel. This is what you will get my here 2.303 into this is log 10 by 4.58 into what here 10 power minus 2. So log 10 value 1, you will write this one 2.303 into this is 10 square by you will get what? 4.58. 2.303 into 10 square by 4.58. You will get here 50.28. So you will get here 0.5028 into 10 square. From this you will get 50.28. 50.28. So what is the answer you will take? You will take option 4 for this question number 40. Next you can see question number 41. N2O5 in the following equation, N2O5 dissociate to give what you will get my here. This is 2NO2 plus half O2 after 10 minutes. After 10 minutes time is there here. After 10 minutes the volume obtained of O2 is volume of O2 that is equal to given 5 ml. And end of the reaction at end volume of O2 given what 25 ml. Then find out the value of rate constant. They asking value of the rate constant. Here volume is given. You know one formula, C is equal to N by V. Volume is what? Concentration is inversely proportional to volume. Here volume is given. So if you want to take the initial volume and final volume, if you want to take here, suppose I am writing here C is equal to N by V initial I am writing here. And suppose C is C1, you can take this is C2, then what? While C2 is equal to N by volume of which one? Final. What you will get here? Final volume by initial volume will get. Final by initial will take, if you want to write here C1 by C2. Okay. So this is the concept we are using. But here you can see the equation here. Decomposition of N2O5 generally follows which order reaction? It generally follows first order reaction. Decomposition of N2O5 follows what? First order reaction. So K is equal to some 2.303 by T into, you know, this is log R naught by R. Here but R naught is not given. Okay, in place of R naught what is given here? Concentration given C by V. Okay, C by V of V naught by what we need here? C by V of finally will write. So from this I will write here some K is equal to 2.303 by T into this is log. Here we are considering only volumes, not concentration, because the concentration is not given here. So I want to write one formula here. What I want to write here, this is V infinitive by V infinitive minus V initial volume is there. Initial means at time t. At a time t I am taking here. Infinitive means at the end of the reaction. So K is equal to, you will get here, this is 2.303 by, time is given 10 minutes. This is into, this is log V infinity. At the end of the reaction, what is the volume of O2? This is 25 by, this is 25 minus 5. That you will get here 2.303 by 10 into, this is log 25 by 20. So you will get here 2.303 by 10 into, this is what you will get my here, log 5 by 4 you will get. 5 by 4 you will get. So here if you want to solve this one, what you will get my here? K is equal to, this is 2.303. Log 5 by 4 means what you will get here? This is log 1.25 by 10 you will get. Clear na? So log 1.25 value you can see. Okay, 0. It is 0969 I think. 0.0969 by what you will get my here? 10 you will get. So if you see the answer here, we are having some options are given, some 25 seconds, 15 seconds, 220 seconds, and none of the above is given. So there is no chance to get 25 seconds or 15 seconds or 200 seconds. Why here? If you want to multiply, you will get 0. This one what you will get here? This is 0.2303 into this is 0.0969. You will get here 0.0223 you will get. Okay, so there is no answer not given for this question. So what you will get here, you will take none of the above for this question number 41. So the next question 42, for the reaction between NO1Cl2, the following data were obtained. They given some data, NOCl2 rate is given. They asking here find the order of the reaction. So here NO is given, you can take a concentration. This is Cl2 and this is what rate is given. This is 0.05, this is 0.05, this is 0.15, again given 0.05, this is 0.15, this is 0.05, this is 1 into 10 power minus 3, this is T into 10 power minus 3, this is 9 into 10 power minus 3, they given. Find the order of the reaction. So what equation you can take here? NO plus Cl2 is given. This is the product you will get here. Okay, so generally what you will get here? 2NO plus Cl2 you will get 2NOCl. So I will write here rate is equal to K into some concentration of N whole power x into concentration of Cl2 whole power y. So if you want to take the what here expression for this one. So this we can take here 1, this is 1 you can take, and this you can 3 you can take. If you want to take here 2 by 1, 2 by 1 means what you will get rate. What are the rate is given? This is 3 into 10 power minus 3 by 1 into 10 power minus 3. Okay. Now what you can write here? K into this is 0.05 whole power x into this is 0.15 whole power y by this is K into first one 0.05 whole power x into this is 0.05 whole power y. What is cancel ma? This k cancel, 0.5 cancel here, 10 power minus 3 cancel. What you will get here? 3 you will get. Then this 0.15 by 0.05 you will get what ma? 3 power y. I will write this one 3 power 1 is equal to 3 power y. So from this I will get y is equal to 1. One value got. One more you can find out what ma? Value of x. So you will take which one you can take here. If you want to take here 3 by 2 you will take. Suppose I am writing 3 by 2. What is 3 here? This is 9 into 10 power minus 3 by this is 3 into 10 power minus 3 is equal to this is k into 0.15 whole power x into this is 0.05 whole power y. Or you will take here 1 you will take, better you will take 1 here, you will cancel is easy there. 1 if you take 0.15 whole power x, 0.05 whole power y by what you will get ma this one? This is k into you will get 0.05 whole power x into 0.05 whole power y. This is the cancel. 3 cancel, 9 is equal to, then what you will get ma? 3 whole power x. Can I write here 9 3 square? So 3 square is equal to what? 3 power x. X equal to what ma? 2. So rate is equal to K into concentration of NO whole square into concentration of Cl2 whole power n. So we will write here 2 plus 1, that is equal to what? 3. So this is what order reaction ma? It is a third order reaction. So you will take option 3 for this question. Now we will see question number 43. This is also same model. In the given reaction, okay, now what is the equation is given here? 2A plus B2 gives rise to 2AB. Concentration is given A and B, rate is given. They are asking rate expression for this question. Rate expression for this question. So what we will do, we want to identify rate from this equation. I am writing here rate. Rate is equal to some K into concentration of A whole power x into concentration of B whole power y. You see, I did not write the information and all. You see, first one you can take 1, 2, 3, 4 like that you will take. So I will take first what I will do, I want to do 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 I want to take here. 2 by 1 means what your rate? What is the rate is given? This is 0.002 by 0.0, again here 0.00, this is 2, that is equal to, what you will get, this is k into 0.2 whole power x into, this is 0.1 whole power y by, this is k into 0.1 whole power x into 0.1 whole power y. This is cancel here. 0.2 0.2 cancel means what you can write here? 1 you will write. K and k cancel. What I get here? 2 power x. How can I write here 1? I will write 1 in the form of 2 power 0. That is equal to what? 2 power x. From this what I want to get here? X is equal to 0. Then what you can find out here? You can find out y for the reaction. From you will get the expression for this one. Now we can see what we will do. So we can see for this, suppose I want to take here some, what is already x we are finding, we have to find out the y value. What you will take here, suppose you will take 2 by 3 or 3 by 3. See next 3 by 2 I want to do. 3 means what I will get here? 0.008 by, this is 0.002, that is equal to k into, this is 0.3 whole power x into 0.2 whole power y by, this is 0.2 whole power x into, this is k, this is 0.1 whole power y. So from this I will get 2 here. Already you know the x value 0. X value 0 means here power 1. What you will get here? This k cancel, this term will be fully cancel. Then what you will get? You will get 2 power y. 4 means I will write 2 square. 2 square is equal to what here? 2 power y. Y is equal to what? 2. From this you will write rate is equal to k into a whole power 0 and this is b whole power 2. What is your answer, ma? You will take option 3 for this question. Now we will see question number 44. Question number 44, what they given here? In a reaction A plus B gives rise to A plus B plus C gives rise to D. The observation will obtain rate becomes 2 times when the concentration becomes double. Rate becomes 2 times when the concentration becomes what? 2 times. And the rate becomes 4 times when the concentration of both A and B become double. Rate becomes 8 times when the concentration of A and B and C become double. What is the rate expression they are asking? So this is, we have 44. I will write here A plus B plus C gives rise to product. Okay, rate is equal to, I will write K into A whole power x into B whole power y into some C whole power z I wrote. Clear? Now I want to write here rate becomes how many times? 2 times. Rate becomes 2 times when the concentration of B becomes double. So this is rate is there. B means what here? 2 times is there. This is 1 power y you can say. Next, rate becomes 4 times. 4 times. Then the concentration of A and B become 2 times. So this is A is there. This is 2 whole power x into this is 2 whole power y. Now rate becomes 8 times when the concentration of both B and C become double. So this is K is there. B becomes what here? Double. This is 2 power y. And C also becomes what here? Double. This is 2 power z I am writing. Now from this we will write rate expression. Or you can take A and B also. I will write here. This is 1. This is 2 and this is 3. Okay, 2 by 1 we will see. What you will get my here? 4r by 2r is equal to, this is k into 2 power x into 2 power y by, this is k into 2 power y. Y cancel here, k and k cancel, r cancel, this is 2. 2 is equal to 2 power x. From this what you will get here? X is equal to 1. Next, if you take here 3 by 2. Suppose you can take here 3 by 2, what you will get? 3 by 2, suppose you can take, this is k into 2 power y into, this is 2 power z by, this is k into 2 power x into what? 2 power y. So what is cancel here? 2 power y, 2 power y cancel, k and k cancel here. 2 power x value how much here? Sorry, you can write here this r value also, that you can write here 8r by 4r, r cancel and 4 here 2 times. You will get 2 here. Clear? Now here 2 power x, 2 power z by 2 power x is there. 2 power z by, this is 2 power x is equal to what here? 2 square. 2 power z is equal to 2 into 2 power x. So 2 power z is equal to, this is 2 into 2 power 1. Clear? So 2 into 2 power 1 means what you will get, man? This you will get 4 only. So 2 power z is equal to 4 means what? 2 square. Z is equal to 2. Z is equal to what here? 2. Then what we will find out here? We will find out the y value. You see here 4 I am writing here. 4r is equal to k into, this is 2 power x into 2 power y. So I will write here 4r, okay, that is equal to k into x value how much? X value we have 1. I will write here, this is 2 power 1 into 2 power y. So here 4r by your 2 is equal to, this is what some k into 2 power y. Here how many times cancel here? 2 times. So 2 is equal to 2 power y. So y is equal to what? 1. So from this what you will write here? X, y, z expression I am writing here. Rate is equal to k into a whole power 1, b whole power 1, c whole power 1, 2. That you can write a, b and c square. So this is question number 44 we have. Now let us see question number 45. This is also same model question here. A plus b plus c gives rise to d. A plus b plus c gives rise to d. Rate becomes, first I will write expression. Rate is equal to k into a whole power x into b whole power y into this is c whole power z. Rate becomes 4 times when the concentration of b become 2 times. So this is k into b becomes how many times? 2 times. I will write here 2 whole power y. B you can take. Next rate becomes 8 times. 8r when the concentration of a and b becomes 2 times. So this is a into, this is 2 power x into, this is 2 power y. Now rate becomes 12 times. Rate becomes 12 times when the concentration of b is double and the concentration of c becomes what? Triple. So this is c into, this is 2 power y into, so this is 2, okay, concentration of c becomes what here? 3. Triple means what here? Sum 3 power z I am writing. Okay, now we take this one, 1 and 2 and 3. If we take 2 by 1, what you will get here? 8r by 4r is equal to k into 2 power x into 2 power y by, this is k into 2 power y cancel here, k cancel here, 2 is equal to 2 power x. From this you will write x is equal to what? 1. You will write in the form of 2 power 1. Now what are the possibility we have? Suppose you can take this one. Okay, now what you will take here? You will take any of the equation from this one. Then you can find out any y r 2. Okay, if you take here 2 by 3 or you can take 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means here 12r. You can take this 12r. 12r by 8r, that is equal to, this is k into 2 power y into 3 power z by k into 2 power x into 2 power y. 2 power x to 2 power x y cancel here. So here what you can have? RR cancel here. 12 by 8 is equal to k cancel here. This is 3 power z by 2 power x. X value what here? 1. 1 means what you can write here? This is 12 into 2 by 8 is equal to 3 power z. Clear? So here 4 times, so here what here? 3 times. So 3 power 1 is equal to 3 power z. So z is equal to 1 you got. X is equal to 1, no, y is equal to, sorry, z is equal to 1. Then you can find out what b value. Where is the b value have? If you want to take b value, I want to take from this equation. From this equation, suppose I am taking here 8r is equal to k into, this is 2 power x into what? 2 power y. 2 power x means that is 2 power 1. You will write here 8r by 2 is equal to some k into 2 power y here 4 times. So 4 is equal to what here? 2 power y. So y is equal to 2. Okay. What is the expression you will get? Rate is equal to k into a power 1 into b power 2 into this is c power 1. What answer will take? You will take option 3 for this question. So these are the questions from exercise level 2.